3D history documentaries are blowing up across YouTube, and they're doing it fast, like blink and you'll miss it fast. This style of content is pulling in massive attention and stacking millions of views right now. There's a channel called Time Portals, and the numbers are insane. One video hit 44.4 million views, another crossed 39.2 million, and another sits at 27.1 million views, with multiple uploads clearing the million-view mark without breaking a sweat. That's not luck. That's a format people can't stop watching. And it's not just one channel. Another channel called Beginning to Now uploaded only 11 videos and already reached 284,000 subscribers. Let that sink in. 11 videos. Even crazier, this kind of channel is estimated to earn between $28,000 and $77,000 per year. And here's the best part. You don't need advanced skills, expensive software, or a studio to do this. First, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit like, because I am going to show you step by step how you can replicate this exact style in just minutes using 100% free tools. But first, watch this video I just created.
The Taj Mahal is one of the most famous monuments in the world, located in Agra, India. It was built in the 17th century by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Construction began in 1632 and took nearly 22 years to complete. Over 20,000 artisans and craftsmen worked on this masterpiece. The Taj Mahal combines Islamic, Persian, and Indian architectural styles. Today, the Taj Mahal stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a timeless symbol of love.
Step 1. Generate idea and script. I provided all the prompts you need so you don't have to write anything yourself. Copy the first prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, hit generate, and instantly you'll get a complete script for your video, including the full narration. Then copy the second prompt, paste it into the same chat, hit generate again, and ChatGPT will create scene prompts that describe what should appear visually in each part of the documentary. After that, copy the last prompt, paste it in, hit generate, and now you have fully defined scenes. Your script, visuals, and structure are completely finished and ready to be turned into a video. Step 2. Generate 3D video clips. Go to Grok AI, which is a 100% free AI tool. Click Imagine, choose your aspect ratio, then copy your first scene prompt, paste it in, select video, and hit generate. And boom, Grok instantly generates a fully completed 3D video clip, complete with dynamic camera angles and cinematic movement. Once the video is ready, download it. Repeat the same process for scene 2. Copy your second scene prompt, paste it in Grok, and hit generate. Then continue doing this for all remaining scenes until every video clip is finished and saved. Step 3. Generate the voiceover. Go to openai.fm, which is also 100% free. Paste in the script you generated earlier. Choose the voice ASS, then select the style True Crime Buff. Play the audio to review it, and once you're satisfied, click download. Your documentary voiceover is now ready. Step 4. Combine everything. Open CapCut and drag all your video clips into the timeline in order. Import the voiceover and align it with the visuals. Add text or captions if needed, and explore effects if you want to enhance the look. Export the video, and your 3D history documentary is complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button in this video.